Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your environment is ready, Android Studio and the right SDK. Once done, pick TensorFlow Lite or ML Kit depending on model control versus managed services. Add the appropriate Gradle dependencies now, then import or convert your model to a tflight file and put it in the App Assets folder. Make sure to declare permissions and enable multi-dex if the app grows. You're starting the integration. This prepares the app for runtime inference and testing. Next, you wire the model into the app. Create a background worker or coroutine to load the interpreter or call ML-Kit inference so the main thread stays responsive. Preprocess images or data exactly as the model expects, resize, normalize, and pack into a byte buffer or tensor image. Run inference and then post-process outputs into probabilities, bounding boxes, or predictions. Finally, map results to labels and update the UI safely. This is where accuracy and latency trade-offs matter, so profile memory and CPU while iterating. To finish, optimize and package the app. Apply post-training quantization or use GPU/nnappy delegates to cut latency and battery use. Once optimized, decide whether to bundle the model in the APK or implement on-demand model download for space-sensitive apps. Test across devices and network conditions, then sign and release. If something breaks, inspect logged tensor shapes and types, verify preprocessing matches training, and ensure the model ops are supported on target delegates. That single check solves most runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.